jealous. You can't go back. So what are you doing then? Are you charging to oncoming traffic, Mavis? Hope it writes you off. Fucking jazz drivers. Fucking idiots. No parking. Fucking idiot.
This morning, and I talked about this thing that we've got to look out and laugh, and look out for one another and laugh together this year, I reckon. That can't be no bad thing. And I hope you join me every Saturday between 10 and 1 and tell all your friends and family about it. Here's Human League.
Fucking idiot. Where the fuck are you going? Fuck's sake. Professional drivers, my fucking arse.
It's just like, how can I explain? Golden syrup is just like a sugar kind of thing.
Oi, what the fuck?
That's now. What's it made into now?
It's
Much good music that year. I made my own mixtapes, recorded off the radio. Please don't tell anybody. Lauren, the secret's safe with me.
Fucking green, man. What are you waiting for?
How you could ever hurt me so. I need to know what I've done
Fuck me. Dingo dingo.
Nothing's been going on. Was it that
a healthcare thing as well, so it's not, you know, like it's just because there's a massive pothole there as well.
Oh, no.
See that healthcare, it's not, it's because all of the cars parked there, look.
On his phone. Fucking hell. On your phone. Man, has literally cost nothing. Oh, druggies. Druggies.
Listen to the music and the radio you love. Download the Rayo app and practice its radio. Come on, radio. It's really
because my unique fact is that my sister pushed me down the stairs
What are
when I
you
was
waiting
younger.
for?
I ended up getting a scar on my forehead, and then the
sick.
first Harry Potter movie came out.
To the right after 800 yards and continue to follow 83 towards
Oh, that was it.
Thanks for that, mate.
Well, it was a bend. It was a
You
situation.
shouldn't
No,
overtake
you shouldn't
on
overtake.
those solid white lines.
No, but everyone does.
Well, you are allowed to under 50.
Radio Breakfast with Fleur East.
My name is Fleur, and you can trust me.
Will West.
We're just getting to know each other. So no red flags for me. No red flags.
And James Barr.
I'm bringing my dazzling personality. EE1 customer.
Don't miss out on top offers in the big sale at Halfords, with up to 50% off selected products online, including workshop,
Thank you so much again to Baby Clothes for the track to track mix this week.